Campus Insight, your campus, your voice, your insight.
Hello, lovely viewers. We are still in Koforidua Technical University, and I'm here with
Dr. DJ Fifes, the head of department for mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering.
Yes.
So please, can you tell us a brief history about the program?
So with the mechanical engineering program in Koforidua Technical University, it has come a long way from the pure technical institution where the whole place evolved to become a polytechnic, further changing to a technical university status. In this department, we started some technician programs. That was the mechanical engineering technician part 1. Then we went into higher national diploma, that is HND mechanical engineering. The HND mechanical engineering program is a 3-year program, which is having 2 main specializations. We have the production option and that of the plant option. Now, I would want to find out what the production option is all about. So the production option has to do with especially an area that's when one gets into production option, you go into fabrication, production in terms of producing of components for machine assembly. Not just that, you can also go into quality control. When you find yourself in any production company, there is a section that is in charge of quality control of whatever that is being produced, and also to ensure that it is compliance with the standards that we have as a country, and not just as a country, but the international standard organizations, their standards. So we ran the HND for some time, and the institution had the university status, so we had the opportunity of also starting with a Bachelor of Technology program. We started with a Bachelor of Technology top-up program for HND graduates, so that at least they would also have the opportunity of acquiring a degree program, the HND program. That was a 2-year program. So with the Bachelor of Technology top-up program, after mounting it for some time, the department had opportunity of also getting accreditation for a Bachelor of Technology Welding and Fabrication program. This year we are looking forward to graduating our first batch of students. The program is doing well. We are having an encouraging number. Recently also we've had an accreditation to start with Bachelor of Technology Mechanical Engineering. That is a 4-year degree program. And with this 4-year degree program, we have 2 options, production options, and as well as plant. Yeah, so this is how far we've come. And not just only that, also this department, we are also having accreditation to run some short programs. That is some program that finds itself in the national qualification framework of the country. So we have National Proficiency 1 certification, National Proficiency 2 certification, as well as National Certificate 1 and National Certificate 2. To all these in welding and fabrication. So this is a certificate program, not just for people who would want to do higher national diploma or Bachelor of Technology, but also giving opportunity to those who are unable to get into these higher qualifications but would want to acquire some competent skills in welding fabrication, so that they can, maybe somebody would want to do this 1-year program, finish and get a job. There's a job there, you need this certification to be able to apply for that job. So this department is also doing that. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Please, are there any misconceptions about the program?
Yes, one misconception about the program, not necessarily the entire program, but what it could be with the welding and fabrication. People are really used to seeing welders just along our roadside.
Exactly.
Usually they are not welders. When we talk of welders, we're talking of people that do industrial welding of various thick metal plates for shipbuilding, various industrializations. So the people we just see by our roadside putting up containers, just manufacturing some few basic stuff. Not necessarily, they are not really welders. because of the kind of metals that they deal with. Because proper welders go with very thick metals being used for various fabrication that requires a certain standard of welding. So that's it. And with the mechanical engineering, for now, not so much. We don't have much misconception about the program.
Okay.
Yes, I think it is what it is. Yeah.
Yes. So most of our brothers and sisters out there think mechanical engineering is all about welding. Please, are there any career opportunities after pursuing such program?
Oh, okay. There are enormous. We have a lot of career opportunities when one gets himself or herself in this field. It's a field that is, I think, they form the basis of all engineering programs. When you go to electrical engineering, definitely you need mechanical to come in to do some fabrication work for you to be able to have your electrical installations and other product being done. When you go into electronics, definitely after fabricating your various circuits and other stuff, you need to have a casing. And it comes with that is all about fabrication as well. So that is an aspect of the mechanical. And now we have a lot of companies in town, in the country, that uses a lot of industrial heavy duty machines. And you need mechanical engineers to carry out various maintenance activities to ensure reliabilities of the machines, as well as also giving you a very good output. So without maintenance, you should expect that you might not be able to get what you expect. And for you to be able to maintain, you need a mechanical engineer to do that. Also, when it gets to production, you need mechanical engineer to ensure that we're able to produce some machines that can be used to do work. Not just that, but also production people can also find themselves in quality control. They ensure that whatever we produce, they are able to fit in there to ensure that the quality is maintained to the expectation of the consumer or whoever wants to buy it. So for the job prospects in every area, you can find yourself in the oil and gas industry. You are there. When it goes to food processing industry, mechanical engineers are there, welders, fabricators are there. When you get to the electricity production, they are there because they need to maintain their boilers and all those machines. And these are all mechanical engineering work. In the various hospitals also, you still have mechanical engineers there because the various machines and equipment that we use there needs to be maintained. So for the job prospects, they are there. It depends on how one will be able to position him or herself to be able to secure those opportunities. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So please, what qualifies an individual to pursue such program?
If you don't have a D in your passes, you qualify to do the BTech program. But most especially, you should be able to, you should pass in the integrated science, I think, core math and English as well. Then your electives, if you are coming from a pure science background, it's expected of you that you do elective math, physics, I think chemistry, it qualifies you. And those from secondary technical also have the opportunity of also coming into the program. When you have the various core subjects as well as the electives. And from secondary technical, you expect to get an elective in a technical program. It could be technical drawing, it could be metal work, it could be auto mechanics, it could be other areas, depending on where you are coming from. That will qualify you to do the bachelor. If you don't have a C grade, if you don't have a D in your grade, and if you have a D, I think with the new WASI and the old SSC, so D and the WASI also something like that. If you have a D kind of, then it qualifies you to come in for the HID.
Okay.
Now, but for the national proficiency one, you come in with even a JSS or JHS, you can do the national proficiency one, which can graduate you to the two, then proceed on. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we also take in people from the pure technical institutions. Those from the pure technical institute also, They have the English Math Science from C to Vet, and with your elective, with that combination, you qualify to enroll in either a Bachelor of Technology or higher national diploma programs.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir, please, are there any internship or job placement opportunities?
Yes, for job placement, yes. Even as we speak, we are currently in talk with a company in Ghana. They are into fabrication, and we've gone far with our discussion with them. They want to take some of our working students because the company is into that. And for internship, the institution does its best to get placement for our students, to get placed for internship. And one interesting thing about our Bachelor of Technology program is such that with the Bachelor of Technology, the students are supposed to go for a mandatory 1 full semester industrial attachment. They don't come to school, they go out to work with the industry. So by the time you come out of the program, if you are really serious, you should qualify, you should be a very good person, not just having the theoretical experience or knowledge, but also hands-on, because the nature of our programs is all about hands-on. And fortunately, this university has taken delivery of very current, modern equipment, various computer, numerical control machines, could be elite machines. They are being installed in our new building down there. So I think the exposure of our students to the industrial machines that are used for fabrication and other processes, the students will have the opportunity of having hands-on on those programs. So definitely, if you finish Kofodia Technical University, it could be an HND or a BTech in mechanical, you are rest assured of acquiring some level of experience in the field.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Sir, please, what advice would you give to incoming students who want to pursue such program?
Now, the world is running very fast in terms of technology, and if you relax, you'll be left behind. I think this morning I read an article about AI be taking over job, where some few people might not be able to. If you are not lucky, you'll be just kicked out of job, because if you don't really match up with the trend and the technological advancement, you'll be left behind. So my advice to the youth, as well as those who are looking forward to gaining admission in this university, is take everything serious, know where you are going, and know the reason why you want to come to Kofodia Technical University, especially to enroll on the mechanical engineering program. That you would want to be seen as one of the best mechanical engineers the country Ghana has ever had. And it doesn't just come on a silver platter. You need to work hard. You need to take the opportunities you have. We will give you the exposure though, but the final thing is dependent on you, the individual. Know where you are going. If you don't have a focus in life, then I'm sorry, you might not be able to find this place as an interesting place. But if you have a focus in life, I can assure you that with the best lecturers that we have, they have the patience, they are there to guide, to give the necessary advice that our young brothers and sisters look forward to having. And we are ever ready to push you up there if you avail yourself. So with determination and hard work, and above all with the support of God, I believe one will be able to achieve his or her dream if you find yourself in this institution.
Sir, please, thank you very much for your time. Sir, please, what are your hopes and expectations for Campus Insight channel?
I expect that students would kind of see this channel also as an educative channel that would want to go there to listen to what is happening, have insight into the various programs that is being mounted in this university, and can also tell other friends who are looking forward to coming here. And also, I believe through this channel, definitely some advice have been thrown out there. And if they should take it serious, it will help them in their life.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Sir, please, is there any gratitude you want to give to our viewers watching us?
Greetings to all the viewers. I believe better late than it's never late than wishing you guys well. But I believe that you will continue to enjoy this channel because they are doing a good job. Try to find out the nitty-gritties about the various programs that has been run on this campus for the viewers out there. So not just for only students, prospective students looking for, but anybody out there. Some would wish they come to Kofodia Technical University, but I don't know, they might not have the opportunity of knowing what is really done is being done here. But I can assure you, with this channel, a lot is being exposed out there to viewers to also know where they are aiming, where the kind of advice they wish to have. I think they will enjoy from this channel as well. So continue watching this channel and let's make it great. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Campus Insight, your campus, your voice, your insight.